What's going on, guys? We're here in Lakeside, California, San Diego. We are at an all-age manufactured housing community. I'm here with Jessie.
Hi, how's it going?
Jessie is a manufactured home salesperson. She sells new and pre-owned manufactured mobile homes. She's selling this home right here behind us in Lakeside, California. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when we premiere new videos. We premiere new videos on a weekly basis. We also appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. Let's go tour this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom manufactured home. For $285,000, you can have one of the best homes and best spaces in Mira Vista. This home comes with a carport covered awning that fits 2 to 3 cars, a large 100-square-foot shed. The best part about this home is there's no neighbors behind us. You get a lot of privacy. This is a very large 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom manufactured home.
Another great feature with this home is this storage shed here. So this storage shed is great for things like tools, holiday decorations, any backyard equipment for maintaining the yard, all sorts of things. This is one of my favorite features is this back portion. You don't have a neighbor back here, so you get a lot of privacy. That's something that's really rare in these communities where you're oftentimes surrounded by neighbors. So here we have a pretty large porch. You could easily fit a table for up to 8 to 10 people. Great for those barbecues, family get-togethers, having some friends over, but you have a lot of space. And I know I'm an animal lover, so if you are too, your furry friend can join you and feel just at home here. Let's go check out the rest of the house. All right, so coming into the home here, one of the first things I noticed personally was this dormer. So we have this dormer here that really helps to add a lot of light into the house, especially here in San Diego where we have sunny days pretty much every day, not to mention these cathedral ceilings that as you move towards the kitchen really open up the home.
The cathedral ceilings and this dormer are unique. They're great value. The owners upgraded this home with brand new waterproof laminate flooring. This newly renovated home has it all. This is a wonderful kitchen. A large kitchen island with a breakfast bar. On this side, you have plenty of storage, a bank of drawers, 2 cabinets. We've added this can lighting to make it more modern. These are hardwood cabinets, great quality. Jessie, tell us what you like about this kitchen.
Yeah, Shane, one of my favorite parts is we added this new dishwasher. We also have new appliances that make it easy to cook meals for the whole family. This side-by-side refrigerator complete with a water and ice dispenser. All right, now before we check out the 2 guest bedrooms, we're gonna check out this closet. A nice linen closet, extra storage space, and it's right next to the bathroom. Here in the bathroom, we have everything you could need. We have the shower tub combo, brand new toilet, large counter space, medicine cabinet, and extra storage under the sink. We're gonna check out the guest bedrooms. The first one we have here is your standard size, big enough to fit a twin bed, maybe some bunk beds, plus a dresser or nightstand, and you have a closet for a lot of extra storage space. The next guest room here is a little bit bigger than the first one. Could maybe fit a queen or a full bed, plus a nightstand or end table, maybe even a dresser. And we have another closet for even more storage space. Let's go check out the master bedroom. All right, We have one more closet before the master bedroom for all your coats, other things. This house is full of storage space. And now the master bedroom. And now the master bedroom. Could easily fit a king bed, plus a nightstand, dresser, more, plenty of room for a TV. And my favorite part, a walk-in closet. Ladies, you know there's gonna be plenty of room for your shoes, clothes, and more. Here in the master bathroom, we have a pretty large walk-in shower with a detachable shower head, brand new toilet, plenty of countertop space, lots of drawers for storage, even more storage, and a medicine cabinet. Here we have the utility room with plenty of space for a side-by-side washer-dryer hookup, some extra storage cabinets, and even more storage cabinets. So between these cabinets, the storage shed, and all the linen closets, you are not gonna run out of room in this house.
My favorite part of this home is this doggy door. It is burglar proof. There's no way an adult's gonna get through this door. Thank you for watching this edition to The Manufactured Housing Expert.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed Jessie. Jessie, did you have fun?
I did, so much fun. Thanks, Shane.
Awesome. If you're looking to buy or sell a new or pre-owned manufactured mobile home in El Cajon, Lakeside, or the San Diego area, give Jessie a call, 866-720-2207. We hope you enjoyed this tour. We have many tours coming your way. We appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. See you next time.